Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Mannings Hill Road. We just turned onto Mannings Hill Road from Cassava Peace. On the left is a Midway Mall, and on the right is the entrance to White House. And at the front here, they have a very popular jerk chicken place. It's been around for a very long time. Very nice food. Its name is Andy's Jerk Center. And you can see persons out there. So it's about 3 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, so you can see there's a lot of traffic heading towards, if you continue down this road, we're heading towards Constant Spring Road, but the traffic is heading back towards the Havendale area. Of course, you see those cars parked in the road. You see this truck just stopped in the road. It's a everyday occurrence in Jamaica, and I don't know if the police still give out tickets for those things. Because it's one thing if you're doing a delivery to stop in the road, but I mean that's not even right. But to stop and park and leave your vehicle and it's just in the road, blocking the road literally, I don't get it. Okay, this is the Texaco. I call it Mary Brown's Corner. Straight ahead is Constant Spring Road, and this area is called Mary Brown's Corner. Not sure why, but if anybody knows why they call this area Mary Brown's Corner, you can let us know. And there you can see that white car. Now that car it's not a turning lane. They're literally blocking the lane for the oncoming traffic, but I have no idea when things got so bad on the road in Jamaica. Okay, on the left, okay, we're now on Constant Spring Road. On the left is the Oakland apartment building. Very nice complex. It's a very large facility. Has about 8 high-rise buildings like what you see in here. And then you have a lot of townhouses in there. It was built a long time ago. I always thought it was built by the NHT, but a subscriber mentioned that it's not the NHT, it was a private entity that built it. We have videos up of the complex of us driving through, so you can take a look. Now with Constant Spring Road, you're going to find a lot of plazas. A lot. Almost every other building is a plaza. Alright, we're going to turn back around because there is so much traffic. Not sure why. I know there's always added traffic on a Friday, but I'm gonna leave it at this hour. Actually, we're going to turn on Central Avenue and then go up West Avenue and go back on to Constant Spring Road. And the last time we did a video of Constant Spring Road, we mentioned Immaculate High School as a school in the area, and subscribers said, what about the other schools? So we want to mention further down you have Merle Grove High School. When we turn right here you have the Queens High School, and there's also a prep school on Constant Spring Road. And as you go further down Constant Spring Road, I don't think you have any more schools. But you have St. Andrew High School for girls further. Oh, Holy Childhood is also off Constant Spring Road. So it's not that way. The coverage was a little different, but we were passing the school, that's why we mentioned that school. And maybe when we passed the other schools, we were talking about something else. Alright. So this intersection now, you can't come from Central Avenue and go onto Constant Spring Road. They have blocked it. So you can only come from Constant Spring Road onto Central Avenue. Now on the right is the Queen's High School. Very, very nice school, very prominent high school in Jamaica. It's an all-girls school. Okay, so at this intersection, if we turn left, we would take West Avenue down to Lindsay Crescent or Lindsay Avenue, and that would take us on to Washington Boulevard. But we're going to turn right and take West Avenue back to Constant Spring Road. So we're on West Avenue now, and the road seems really busy. Not sure why. There you can see a better view of the Oakland's apartments, and that building, the tower that you're seeing, they have about 8 of those towers. As part of the complex, and it's a gated community. Very nice. Jamaica actually needs more developments like that. It's a very large development. But I guess space would be a problem. And back in the day, that was how they built them. You had apartments, which are the ones in the towers, and then you had the townhouses, which are straight ahead. Those would be the townhouses. But I noticed these days they're building like straight apartments. I guess because it also has to do with the land available, or they're building townhouses, or even if it's a mix, it's a small development, nothing on the scale of what Oakland's is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.